The snake farm Bangkok is part of Thai Red Cross Society. They do research on snakes and extract snake venom to create antidotes.
I am in the snake farm in Bangkok. There are so many snakes here.
What is this?
Oh, it's a boa constrictor with the information in English too.
ว่าไง
Hello, baby. Looking at us. Hi. Hi.
What's that snake? Blood python.
แบบไทย
Of course, you can find a lot of snakes from around the world here, indoor and outdoor. But the highlights of the farm are the venom extraction and snake handling demonstration. The snake handling demonstration takes place here in front of the main building. And if you want to have the python around your neck and take a picture, you can have it without any cost. The show starts at 11 on weekends and 14:30 on weekdays.
To Sima Seng building, which is an indoor serpentarium. To see the snake exhibition.
not video
Sima Seng building got this name because the creator of the building, Prince Baripat Sukhumpan, who was also the vice president of the Red Cross Society of Siam, together with his 3 siblings, donate funds to support the operation of Red Cross. Sima Seng means 4 snakes. The princess and the princesses were born in the same year of snakes, 1881.
Oh, sorry guys. No video, no food and drink, no smoking, no pets.
This building was built to replace the old and dilapidated one with the same name. The name is retained to commemorate the generosity of the royal benefactors. On the first floor, you can take a closer look at the snakes in the showcases, and the venom extraction show will take place in this auditorium, 11 o'clock from Monday to Friday.
Now we are going to the second floor to see the exhibition. Let's go.
The living snakes are very well treated at the farm. On the second floor, you will have the opportunity to see the snake skeletons and skin, and also a lot of knowledge on snake biology, snake bites treatment, and first aid. The snake's venom extraction show is awesome. The staff are very professional. They get the snakes to bite out on a funnel and the venom drips down. The narrator provides information both in Thai and in English.
This place is much better than I thought. It's very interesting and informative and very well maintained. I would recommend everyone to come here. I can spend 2 hours here and it's very easy to come because it's in the city center and you can get off at MRT Samyan station. It's just a short walk. You can arrive here.
I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you very much.